I'll show you why this is a really good 4-piece pick set from OEM Tools. It's got this flat blade style versus the pick style. And what's great about this is whenever you're using it to pull a gasket or a seal that you want to reuse, and you don't want to gouge anything, because if you pick the seal off, or if you poke a hole in it with a regular style pick, you got a problem. So I'm going to show you this gasket right here is on the bottom of an oil cap that I want to reuse, but I want to clean under all this. So I'm going to use this one right here. I could probably use any of the others, but this one seems to work, my favorite one. And you just get in there like this. Now I didn't poke a hole. I can push pressure against this without worrying about poking a hole in the gasket. So it makes these a lot easier to get off. So that right there has saved me probably a few dollars of not poking holes through gaskets that I wanted to reuse. I do a lot of automotive restoration, and sometimes like this little gasket doesn't exist anymore. So you need to figure it out. And these have helped me figure that out.